Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love, and in this video I am showing y'all this Temu wig that I got. All the information about this wig will be in the description box down below, but before you get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also comment down below because girl, this helps my channel. And welcome all the new viewers that are viewing my channel for the first time. Welcome. Hey girl, hey. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more looks, because I am about to come back strong on YouTube once a week though, but I will be getting into it. But anyway, let's get into this video, y'all. And this is what the wig is looking like. This is the knots before I bleach. You can see that they tried to pre-pluck the hairline, but I always try to go ahead and do my own plucking because you still can see the demarcation, so still need to pluck right up in here. So they did try to pluck. This is the long.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear, no. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. I sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. What? I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Well, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. I sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you around. It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
And this is the finished look. This hair is so cute. Like, I love it. It is so cute. Yeah, y'all. Did it again. I love it. Okay, Temu, let's see what you do. Yep. So until next time, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button and comment down below to tell me how you like this look, honey. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.